Hello mini starters and welcome to another video I'm putting out on this wish cycling series. This video is going to cover dry cleaning plastic bags that go around your clothes. So what you can see I'm wearing here, got this pretty sleek new top at St. Croix Cleaners. I think it makes me look kind of cute, you know? So this is 100%, I don't know why I'm out of breath right now, that was just standing up, but that's kind of concerning. Luckily, this is 100% eco-friendly, right? Unfortunately not. I wish I could just put a stamp on myself and say I'm 100% eco-friendly, but that is not something I can do. Maybe I'll get a tattoo like that someday. So, St. Croix Cleaners is awesome. That's where I get my dry cleaning done. What I am going to be talking about today is what to do with your plastic bag when it's done. So, God, this thing is hot. Getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes, I'm hot in here. Alright, so if you look at this, again, what I talked about in the past, 1, 2, 4, and 5 types of plastic are recyclable. Generally, number 4 is the one that is this plastic film-based material. That's what you'll see on your plastic bags. So this is recyclable, but it doesn't go in your curbside recycling bin. I like to clump mine up. I have this plastic bag filled with other items like a plastic bread bag, and then any other type of like Lund's plastic bag, Target plastic bag, Cook Foods, whatever tickles your fancy. I stuff it all in here. Boom. And I have this cluster of plastic bags, which is really unfortunate once you see how much you accumulate over time. But it's awesome to know that this can be recycled if you bring it to a drop-off facility. Now, where are drop-off facilities? I am going to put a link below this video where you can see what drop-off facility is closest to you. Most Walmarts and Targets have places where you can bring your plastic bags. But what you really want to do is get one of these bad boys. It's a mesh bag. I got them on Amazon. It's a really sweet cotton material that I've reused for all of my produce. I get my bread, I put it in here. Obviously don't put my clothes in here because that would wrinkle them again, but if they have that option on a bigger size, I might even consider it. I'm trying to stay away from getting you to always buy a product every time you need to fix something that's supposed to be more sustainable. I know we can only do so much at once, but if you have a little extra disposable income, I think these were like 10 to 15 bucks for like 6 of them. So, and they come in different sizes too. So I would highly recommend getting these as replacements, buying your produce, start buying your produce in bulk, or just opt out of those produce bags in the first place. Those are some things that you can do to reduce your impact. Thanks again for tuning in. I hope you found some helpful information. Please share this video with your family and friends, and comment below if there are other topics that you want me to cover on this wish cycling video series. I would love to hear your thoughts and try to be of service.